Hey, what's up you again, guys? This is Paul from Maharlikans Code. I'm a web developer, programmer by profession. I'm from the Philippines but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today we will walk through with you again, guys, about our AdSense in our last series that we successfully applied for a Google AdSense program and then gets approved by Google in just 1 day. So right now in our last session, we activated the classified ads. And we activated the Google AdSense ads using the auto ads options by the Google AdSense dashboard there. But as you can see earlier, the design is literally is not good because it's auto, and then there is a big gap in between for those white spaces, so we don't want that. So we need to go with the native classified ads, so we can customize our classified ads, which one in which section of our site. In this case is a pascal.com site, so we wanted to display in a specific location so that it will not be distorted, or the spaces or meaning the design of our sites will not be ruined or will not be misplaced for some big ads from Google AdSense. And then okay guys, so we would like to start it again, and then let's see what will happen. So let's get started. Early on, guys, we have this let's Google place ads by for your site. So I choose this by site. Then remember, you have this by site, by ad unit, and the global settings. We have this by site. Earlier we turn on these auto ads. Now the status for apascal.com site is now turned on for the auto ads. And then earlier we have this as a brief settings, as a brief preview. We have these auto ads turned on from these settings and then apply to the site. Earlier we applied, okay, so they say it's about few hours it will display. Now I have some updates for you guys about this apascal.com, which is having the auto ads turned on. Now I will show you the apascal how it looks like. There it is. Now is the ads are totally displayed. So Google Ads will find any spaces for your site. Earlier we don't have this, and then we don't have this banner on top of my site, so Google automatically display it for me. And then we scroll down. This one also is Google display, also the Google AdSense. You see the Google AdSense here. And then this one also, this banner on the left side pane. And then one more is here. So Google automatically detects. Now they are very intelligent people here. Okay, so another here don't have. These are all my settings. And then there's another one here, another ads. And then below don't have, but there is a white space. The gap is very big, and then it distorted my design. So another ads here. So Google, remember we display the ads this script only. This script we paste on in between the headings, in between the head tags. So but Google now is display automatically all the necessary ads for us to potentially earn the income. So if you click this, but by the way guys, don't click by your own self, because Google is intelligent enough to detect your IP address or whatsoever. As a developer, guys, we all know these kind of settings, so we can capture as a developer point of view. Then the better don't click is illegal for Google AdSense. Let the people, your audience click for it if they are really interested to that kind of ads. So right now, guys, as you notice, the design is really distorted. We have a big gap here, and then the design, the logo, all these settings here, all the images, all is not controlled by me as a developer, and then Google is automatically display. Right now we want to change this because really this one is looks good. On top also is okay, it's no problem. Here also can be, but this part here is bit ugly because you see it's a very big gap. What we can do is also I notice unless you paste this code again to another page, this code, then it will go. Right now is in the home page, it's home page only, but when you click some ads here, like for example, we don't have the Google AdSense ads here, it's all my design only, but then only in the home page part, because we only pasted this code. Unless this file again, this is my individual classified ads, so right now we don't have this script unless we include. But again, I don't want, because maybe Google may display again similar things like this, and then it will distort all the designs. So I want to customize which part I will insert the code, which part should I insert the Google AdSense ads, so that it might not be distorted the design again. So what we can do is we go back again to the Google AdSense, and then we turn off this one first. Let it be first. We will play around with the Google AdSense, another type of ad, which is a buy ad unit. So click on this. There's a three types of ad unit. These are the recommended by Google. The native one again is for articles or in the feed ads, but this recommended is a good enough for us. Right now we don't have any existing display ads for us here to display, because this one all customized one. So we click on this recommended. These are all the sample ads, so you can put the name here of your ads. There is a square, horizontal, and vertical. So right now this is the square type of ads. I guess this one is good for us when we display. It depends on your site design. So right now there is a square, horizontal. Let me go through first all the three types of display ads for this customized one. There is another horizontal type, which is this kind. There's two types here, with image and or just a plain text. But okay, this is good enough. This is better for our top here, maybe. Let's see, we will change it later. And then there is another vertical type. This one is good when maybe in the left side or right side panel. Maybe the square type here is good, and then horizontal type, which is good also, and then this one is don't have here, so we can adjust now. So the horizontal type, so we need to create. By the way, we want to create the horizontal first for our top banner there. We scroll up, so we want to play around with this part. Okay, so we create an ad. So we need to put on the home, I need to put a name, something home page or something like a top banner ad. Hold on guys, ipa-skill top banner, sorry, top banner ad. Okay, this one is good enough. And then we select for responsive or fixed. There's two types here, the width and the height, but better we choose the responsive. Google will display it correctly. So create. So there is two types again. There is a HTML and the AMP site. This AMP is good for the mobile applications or site that which is AMP enabled. This one is another type of scripts. So we don't want this because my site is not AMP site. So I just choose the plain HTML as we know it. So there is some instructions here. Copy and paste the ad unit code in between the body tags of your pages. Place this code where you want to appear it. This is for the individual ad unit on every page. So we would like to put this on the top. There is a script here. No need for you to change this. So I just copy the code snippet, copy it, already copied, and then we head over to my code, and then we need to find the location for my site here. Search classified ads. Hold on guys, search here. This is my home page. Okay, maybe we need to zoom a bit for you guys to see. So search, this is the container here. On top of this search classified ads, we would like to appear this similar to this type of ads. Let's see guys. So we would like to paste it here. Probably okay. Okay. No. Zoom a bit. Let's see, it will display, or shall we import like this also can? Better. Okay. And then we close it with the div tag. And then we upload. I open my FileZilla here. Okay. And then okay, just don't update yet. Close or connect. And then let's go through with my files. Hold on guys. Skill, then templates, and then okay, this is it. And then I need to go through IT or not IT, Python projects. Okay, this is it. Templates, and then my root, and then I will replace it guys. Make sure you have a backup guys. Right now is replace, but in this case is I need to go to my thing, my web service. I use the supervisor to, then I would like to restart first to see the changes, and then okay, we need to refresh again. Yeah, there is a 2 here. It's a good thing. So but the design looks bad really. I need to turn off another one. Okay, I need to turn off the thing first, this one, the auto ads. So we turn this off first. Apply to the site. Apply now. And then let's see if we refresh. Control F5. Yes, it's there, but the layout is too ugly. Again, I think oh sorry guys, the for my editor is auto include the end tags. So we upload again, and then I need to refresh at this moment because this one is a production site. Today is Saturday, less people accessing the site, so sorry guys about it. Is okay, now is okay. But still the thing there, maybe it takes time guys, takes time for sure. It takes time for the Google AdSense to turn it off again. So these the ads here, so it's good guys. Now it's displaying for a while. It may take some time. Okay, now as you can see guys, we waited for about a minute, 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then I refreshed the page. Now as you can see, earlier we have the multiple ads here for the auto ads. Now is back to normal, but now I've noticed earlier we type this, we include this script, the customized one, then it will display nicely. Now is very good, it's okay. Then we can insert each individual places, each individual ads, which space you can populate the ads, and then even in the individual ad pages here. So when you click, there is another page. It's up to you guys if you want to place it everywhere you want to paste the code. What type of ads? This one is my own ads. Okay, so I plan to insert another ads here or even in the home page itself, but don't be overcrowded with the Google AdSense also guys, because it depends on you. So it really depends on you. So I want to place another ads here, individual ads or side banner here, to put something Google AdSense there. So far we all okay. Now I can see a nice top banner ads, or you can also place these ads in every top banner of your page. So for example, mostly in your public pages guys. Right now this is my public page, so every category it's up to you. Like for cars, here is another page for me to insert the classified ads, to insert the Google ads. So it depends on the category, so you can create another category for cars or whatsoever here. It's up to you, but Google ads is automatically created for you. So right now we turn off, and then if you visit here, there is one ads that earlier we created, the top banner, a Pascal top banner ads. So you can create multiple type of ads here. You can go back again, You select with the square, horizontal or vertical. It's up to you guys. So this is the classified ads here. So you can create multiple ads and then you name it again, so easy for you to organize your ads here. Then later on I will just add by myself, and then whatsoever I need to place the Google AdSense code. Right now we don't have these are all just a quick tour, guys. So we will see something here. We don't have the data yet, the payments, all these. We don't have the earnings yet. So the reports, this is my reports. We don't have earnings yet, so don't worry guys, I will update you when we have something here. Then I will update in our channel, so we will be updated on how much people when they click the ads or impressions. We do not know yet, so we will see and give you some updates, guys, in the next episodes for this tutorial that I'm going to share it with you guys. So we will know in the future, and you will be guided also how to display an ad for your own site. Okay guys, this is the buy ad unit. So right now I created for about maybe just 2 minutes, I created this 4 new existing ad units. Earlier we have this by site, which we currently turn off now. So as you can see, this is turned off. So because we don't want this, so we want to have a control of our ads and where it is being placed in our individual pages for our site. Now I created these 4 display ads under this buy ad unit. Then you can click this, then it will go to the it will go to this ad creation. Then it's either square, horizontal, vertical again. So you just make sure you choose this responsive option, so it will be displayed nicely in your page. And then you just give a create. You put a name first, for example, and then you create. It's either you choose the horizontal, square type, or vertical. So for now we don't want to create this because I already created to save our time. And then right now we can actually display in our epaskill.com site. I already applied this. If you want to get the code, so you just see below here, or if you want to modify, just edit and then archive. So right now we don't do anything yet. If you want to copy the code, for example, I created this epaskill top banner ad or bottom banner. You just for example, you click, and then we just use the HTML option, and then you just copy this code snippet. So you don't touch this code, let it be pasted in somewhere in your page. So right now we have I created this hold on guys, Google Ads. I think it's Google. Hold on. No, this one is index. Earlier this code in Django is we put in the main layout skeletal framework for your HTML. So that you will place this in this HTML file only, which is called, in my own term, is a layout underscore main as HTML. So You just paste this code, then no need to paste this individually to your each individual HTML file, so you can save a lot of time. Then I move this file here instead of from the index HTML earlier. So I rearrange everything, and then so we can just copy paste the code. Right now in these main categories, earlier I pasted in the index HTML file. Now we plan to what is this index? Sorry guys, hold on. Oh, it's not this index. Sorry, it should be the public index. Okay. So you can search by these ads by Google. Don't touch any codes here. You just paste whatever Google AdSense provided for you, and then you paste whatever you want these ads to be displayed. You remember that we created this ad as a top banner ad, so should be bigger type of ads. I will show you. This is the top banner, or whatever the square type. Oh no, the horizontal type of classified of a Google AdSense ad. So this is the site now, guys, for the ipascale.com as an update. I pasted this. Now it's not the auto ads option by Google. So also have here, I put somewhere here, and then here I don't have. So I put also at the bottom. So there is also a banner type of ads. Earlier is the gap is so big here, and then we cannot control how Google display our ads. So right now we have in our home page. One thing I noticed, guys, because I also put in all the categories and most of the pages. As you can see, when you click the cars, it's all automatically displayed based on the relevant page information of your site. That means if your site don't have this kind of traffic, I will show you later. Hopefully we can display. If this page don't have the good traffic or doesn't have much information that the Google bots can read about this page, or whatever you display in this information, at this time this is vehicles, cars, under cars category. So as you can see, there is also a vehicles wanted highest offer. So this is a Google AdSense ad. So Google AdSense intelligently enough to capture immediately your page. So if you have these vehicles here, this page, then they treat this page as a vehicles or cars related pages. But if this page, as you notice that if this page doesn't have much traffic at all, that means the Google AdSense here, the Google ads here will be blank only. They cannot display something. For example, I don't have this page like flat. So see, as you can see, I don't have the enough information about the page. So the Google AdSense cannot detect anything. So this is the trick, guys. You need to fill in most of the information. Then if you want to go to the motorcycles, then it will maybe it's all related to vehicles also. Then there is some information about the motorcycles, or people posted motorcycles here. And then that's all guys. Then this is just what but in the homepage of your site, normally Google will display, no worries. Only those pages like don't have much traffic, then you can place the individual ad codes here. You can create this code, and then you can just paste to whatever page that have more information and good traffic. then Google Ads will display in that page. But if your page is dynamic page like mine is a classified ads in the Philippines, these are all dynamic information. So people submitted the classified ads. So in this case, right now it display nicely. We can see all the information like the Google AdSense here. So right now also a small update for you guys. The Google AdSense, we have some reports here. I think home. Yeah, there is some today. There is some amount. So there is a small amount here. At least we have something already. We thank God for this. And then so far 2 clicks. And then these are all the information about how much you earn or estimated earnings. So far this month I got 68 cents US dollar. So it's a good money, guys. If you have a very good traffic for your site, then you can earn potentially more. So I will give you some updates about these guys, and then let's see if Google will I will have some more here. But these reports, page views, impressions, you can also earn about some if you have a good impressions for each page, all these kind of things. So far this is the update, guys. Then it's up to you where you want to place all the individual codes, the individual classifieds from the Google AdSense in this page. So that's all for today, guys. For our Google AdSense program, we may end at this part yet, but maybe next time I will update with you guys again on about the revenue or some techniques, or as we play around with this, and then let's see if we can increase our revenue or whatever. We need to study first about this Google AdSense, since this one is new for me also. And see you again, guys, in my next episode series here in Maharlikans Code. May God bless us all, and thank you, and bye bye.